So, we're living in this world where AI is getting, well, kind of perfect. It raises a huge question, right? What's our secret sauce? What's the real value of human creativity when a machine can do so much? That's what we're going to dig into. Let's get started. Okay, so let's just start with this idea. AI can write the perfect paragraph. I mean, really let that sink in for a second. You give it the right prompt and bam, out comes text that's flawless. It's got the right tone, the right structure, it follows all the grammar rules every single time. It is honestly an incredible piece of technology. And you might be wondering, how on earth does it do that? Well, think of it like it has this amazing toolkit. It can look at millions, literally millions of examples to perfectly mirror any tone you want. It'll follow any structure you give it to a T. It can even mimic what human emotion looks like in writing. And the precision, it's mechanical, it's perfect. It's something we humans just can't do over and over again without messing up. But, and this is a huge but, for all that perfection, something's kind of off, right? The result is super impressive. You can't deny that. But it's also cold. It just feels cold. It's kind of like looking at a technically perfect photograph that has zero soul. All the skill is there, but the life, that pulse, it's just not. So that leads us right to the big question, doesn't it? If a machine can make something that looks perfect on the outside, what's actually missing? What's that secret ingredient that it just doesn't have? And here it is. It's the messy stuff. It's failure. It's experience. And AI, well, it's never known what it feels like to believe in something with your whole heart and then just fail. It hasn't felt that gut punch, that sting, the very thing that, let's be honest, teaches us way more than winning ever does. And this is where things get really interesting, because all those things we might think of as weaknesses, they're actually our superpowers. That sting of failure we just talked about, the crushing weight of doubt, that tiny little flicker of hope that keeps you going, the resilience you build when you get knocked down and have to get back up. Come on, you can't program that stuff. Those aren't data points. They're the real, raw ingredients for anything truly creative. So think about why we create. An AI creates because you tell it to. It's an instruction. It's efficient. But us, we create because we have to. It's this ache, this need to get something out. It's not about efficiency. A lot of the time, it's because it would hurt more to keep it all bottled up inside. And this is basically the blueprint for how humans do it. It's the pulse of human creation. We don't start with a plan or logic. No, it starts in the heart. It's a feeling, right? A passion, maybe even a vulnerability. Then our mind steps in. The mind gives it an idea, a structure. And only after all that does it become, well, the thing, the art, the story, whatever it is. It flows from the inside out, not the other way around. And right there, that's where we win. It's a total game changer. In this whole world that's obsessed with data and being efficient, our messy, complicated humanity isn't a bug. It's the feature. It's our ace in the hole. Yeah, just look at this breakdown. It really puts it all into perspective. AI has the data, mountains of it, but we have depth. AI runs on pure logic. We run on emotion. It's built to be efficient. We are built to be resilient. You see, we're never going to win playing their game. And you know what? We don't have to. Our power is somewhere else entirely. It's not about who has the most data. It's about who has the most depth. That's our lane. That's our strength. So, okay, let's stop thinking about this as some kind of us versus them battle. It's not. The future is way more interesting than that. Think of it like a collaborative canvas, where technology informs us, and in humanity, well, we're the ones who inspire. You know, let's just look at the word inspire for a second. The definition is all about filling someone with the urge or ability to feel or do something creative. See that word, feel? That's the key. Inspiration is all about emotion, and you just can't get that from raw data. This is it. This is the new way of thinking. AI informs, humans inspire. Let the machine do the heavy lifting with the data, the grunt work. Our job, our most important job, is to take all that and do something that actually inspires. And what does that mean for the future? It means the future of storytelling, it belongs to those who feel, not just those who can write a good prompt. Look, anybody can learn to prompt. But to really create something that matters, you have to connect with something real inside yourself. You have to feel it. So let's ditch the human versus AI thinking for good. The new reality is human times AI. It's not a fight, it's a multiplier. It's our humanity, our depth, amplified by the insane power of this technology. It's a partnership, plain and simple. Which leaves us with one last question, and this one's for you. In a world that's overflowing with perfect data, what will your depth create? What's the story only you can tell? The idea only you can bring to life? What are you going to make with that messy, beautiful human experience of yours?